Hey teachers, welcome back to Chalkboard Wisdom, your go-to for quotes that make teaching even more magical. I'm Professor Chalky, and today we're exploring a topic that can transform your classroom, promoting mindfulness. Let's help your students stay present and calm with 7 quotes that inspire peace, focus, and reflection. First up, the present moment is the only moment that matters. This quote reminds us to focus on the now. Start your day with a mindful moment. Have your students close their eyes, take 3 deep breaths, and notice the sounds around them. This simple practice helps them let go of distractions and be fully present for learning. Number 2, breathe in calm, breathe out stress. This one's all about using breath to find peace. Teach your students a quick breathing exercise, like inhaling for 4 counts, holding for 4, and exhaling for 4. Use this before a test or during a busy day to help them release stress and find their center. Here's the third. Peace begins with a smile. This quote shows how small actions can create calm. Encourage your students to share a smile with a classmate or reflect on something that makes them happy. A smile can shift the energy in your classroom, creating a peaceful space for everyone to thrive. Number 4, be still and know that you are enough. This one's a gentle reminder for your students to pause and feel grounded. Create a calm corner in your classroom with a cozy chair and a mindfulness jar, those glitter jars that settle as they watch. It's a safe space for them to be still and recharge. Number 5, mindfulness is the key to a quiet mind. This quote highlights the power of mindful awareness. Try a mindful listening activity. Play a soft sound, like a chime, and have your students focus on it until it fades. This helps them quiet their minds and improve their focus for learning. Here's the 6th. Let go of yesterday and don't worry about tomorrow. Today is what counts. This one's about releasing worries. Encourage your students to write down one thing they're grateful for each day on a gratitude board. Focusing on today's blessings helps them let go of stress and embrace the moment. And finally, every breath is a new beginning. This quote wraps up our list with a hopeful message. Teach your students to use their breath as a reset. Before starting a new activity, take a deep breath together to mark a fresh start. It's a simple way to bring mindfulness into every part of their day. So, there you have it, 7 quotes to promote mindfulness in your classroom. These ideas always remind me how a calm mind can lead to better learning, and I hope they inspire you to create a peaceful space for your students. Which one resonates with you the most? Let's share our thoughts and ideas. Before we wrap up, I want to hear from you. Which quote will you use to bring mindfulness to your classroom? Or share your favorite way to help your students stay present. Drop it in the comments below. Let's keep spreading calm and focus in our classrooms together.